Well, guys, here's a lawnmower TB 105 with a 140cc overhead valve, 21-inch Troy built lawnmower, and it looks like it's been used. Just like the one I worked on. I can't really tell. I got it tied. Now this is at the store. Yeah, it's used. There you go, if I can see it underneath there. Excuse me. So I just wanted y'all to show, see I'm at the store, I wanted y'all to see this. And it's got doesn't have a bagger on it, but that one over there's got a bagger. And this is $249, won't crank. So that's about the same thing as I got, only mine was free. Imagine that. There's another one, a little bit different next to it. And it's got a bagger on it. And it's used also, I say used, been oil leak fixed. And this is an easy $375. That's enough to make me mad, guys. Anyway, don't throw the stuff away. Fix it.